guys, it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I just thought I'd jump on here today and show you quickly how to blend paint when using two different sorts of paint. I'm going to be demonstrating on a little stool that I am working on for our 5-day thrifting challenge. It's basically where you go and choose 5 things from around your home or where you've picked them up while you're been out treasure hunting, and we're going to transform them by using the techniques that I teach you in the challenge. So I'm going to show you twice how to do it on the top and also on the bottom of the stool top. It's a wooden stool top, so and we're sort of going for that sort of old age look. So let's get painting. Demonstrate today is just a stool top. I've taken it off. I've still got to give this underneath bit 2 coats of raw silk. So basically what I've done is I've given the top 2 coats of fusion raw silk, and then the idea with blending is you want to come along with just your spray bottle. I always find that these oil demisters are the better ones to use because they give off a nice, I'm not sure if you can see that, but a nice finer spray rather than it coming out in big globules. Globules, is that even a word? I'm making words up now. Okay, so what you do is you just go around, lightly spray your piece, and then using your darker colour, I'm going to use, this one's always a bit of a tongue twister. It's Algonquin from Fusion. It's sort of like a nice sort of beigey, deep beigey colour. It's a bit deeper than the Cathedral taupe, so that's, I thought, because the look I'm trying to get is more of a aged look. So I'm just going to dip my Klingon R12 in, and you just want to go around the outside of your piece. And the water just basically acts as a reactant, and it helps you to move your paint around as well. So I'm just going to bring that in a little bit further. Okay, and then using my brush that I used before, I'm just going to grab a little bit of the raw silk, and I'm just going to paint that in the center. And then you want to make sure, I'm just going to do a bit of blending with the darker colour, just to sort of blend that in a little bit. And then the trick is to come along with a completely dry brush, and you just want to feather it out. Go back the other way. And using the dry brush just really gives it a nice sort of blended look. And you just keep going backwards and forwards, until you're happy with the effect. Okay, so I'll just show you the other side as well, so that you can see how to do it twice. rather than, because it was quite a quick process. So that's 2 coats of the raw silk, the Fusion raw silk. I'm just going to lightly give it a spray. And then with the chalky name that I'm not going to mention again because I can't say it properly, so it's best that I just don't. So just going around with the darker colour. The other option too is you can paint the whole thing in the darker colour if you wanted to, but I chose not to. I just went with the raw silk. It's a little easier when it's on drawers and things like that because you're kind of like doing it in a rectangle. Okay. And then just coming along with white. Like so. And then your dry brush, which is the really important part, you just want to go that way and come back this way. And you just keep doing that until you get the effect that you're after. Like so. Okay, so that's all done now. So I'm just going to let that dry. I've still got a few other little things that I want to do to this project. It's part of the 5-day thrifting challenge that I've got going at the moment. So if you like, I'll leave the link below to the challenge so you can actually see this piece finished.